Hello, my name is Roman, and I'm a 14-year-old boy, and I have a dream that one day I'll be able to make 6 figures off the internet. As of now, I'm going to show you what I've done in the past week to try and achieve my dream. And in the first week, I've spent about just above 10 hours. Pretty good, in my opinion. 7 hours on the weekdays and just under 3 hours on the weekends. And out of those 10 hours, 85 of those minutes have been spent on my brand, Young Biz Whiz. Young Biz Whiz had a YouTube channel that started in 2014, and I believe March. It has 42 subscribers, 27 videos, and just under 10,000 views. I'll be trying to learn Facebook and Instagram marketing. As of now, I have not made any accounts, so the numbers speak for themselves. And the 2 courses that I'm learning as of now is Peter Chan's Better Ecom course and Dan Locke's Dan on Demand course. I've spent a total of 7 hours between the two, and the 2 courses seem pretty good as of now. The one business book that I'm reading right now is from Tom Corley, which is called Rich Habits, and I've spent 2 hours, almost 2 hours. And the book seems pretty good as of now, but I'm hoping to learn more from it. In the past week, I've learned 3 things. Number 1 being, if you have not sold anything yet, then your business is nothing more than just an unproven idea. This comes from Dan Locke's course, and what it means is, yeah, you could consider this thing as a business or whatever, but if you have not sold one product on that business till you make money, or you've sold something, your business is nothing but an unproven idea. And number 2, we have that most people have been taught about money from people who haven't acquired much money themselves. This is from the book Tom Corley's Rich Habits. And it essentially says that you've been taught about money from people who honestly don't make much money themselves. And if you want to learn about money, then you should learn from people that have made money, millionaires. And at number 3, we have that over $40 billion worth of products have been sold on Shopify, and they currently have 1 million customers using their platform. This was just a cool fact I want to add in. And over here, we have the money invested into my education. So the first thing we have is Tom Corley's book, Rich Habits, which was $18 on Amazon. Number 2, we have Dan on Demand, The First Million is What Matters Most. The course was $400. If you pay lump sum, then you won't have to pay $50 a month, which is about $600 that 1 year. And yeah, you save $200 if you pay the lump sum. And for our third thing, we have Peter Chan's Better Ecom course, which was about $100. For our fourth thing, we have Camtasia, which is an editing software, for $250. And last but not least, we have Fiverr.com's video intro, which was the intro you saw in this video. It came to about $12. So overall, thank you very much for watching this video. If you do have any questions, just let me know, and peace.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Don't be a loser. Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget, keep on hustling.